everyone, this is Carol. Welcome to my channel. I am excited. Today I am bringing you a new daily tarot spread. There are 4 cards in this spread. I will be doing a step-by-step mock reading. This daily 4-card spread is a little different than my other one on my YouTube video channel in that it addresses a specific question. The other important thing that is to keep in mind is that the first card will determine the past or the present situation, energy that is still influencing your day. Now, you may not connect with it right away. It could be unconscious, which is even more of a reason to try to understand this energy. Or you could connect with that first card immediately and see how it plays out during your day. So let's go ahead and get started. I am using the Robin Wood Tarot. And the first thing that we do for this 4-card spread, which you may want to go ahead and put this in your journal. If you're doing it just once a week or every day, there is lots of insights to gain from this. So you get centered. And I do like to get grounded, so I take a few minutes to do that. And of course, we will be shuffling the cards. And the question that you can repeat out loud or in your mind for this daily spread is, what do I need to be alert to today? And then simply lay the cards down on the right-hand side. And then you will cut the deck into 4 piles to the left. So first pile, the second pile, the third pile, and the 4th pile. And I want to make sure you see all that on your monitor, and you do. Okay. We will be taking out 1 card from the top of each of these piles, starting from left to right. So this is pile number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the first card is what I spoke of earlier. This is the influence, whether it is past or current, that affects today's situation. Number 2 is current potential, and that is kind of like an aspect of the situation as it is now in the present. We may be asking ourselves, do we need to change of course of action or look at it with greater interest? Those are all possibilities for the current potential. Card number 3, well, most of us know this is what's working against us. These are our challenges, what we may encounter during the day. This could be an inner conflict or even an actual event. And then the last card is always an opportunity or a way for you to take action, gain insight, work towards a greater outcome, and even possibly it will show us how to go about to make changes. So let's get started and see what the cards reveal today. All right, the influence, and it could be past or present, what affects today's situation. Oh, and we have the 9 of Cups, which is very basically everybody knows is called the wish card. So the situation from the past is very, very positive. And how it's going to affect us is, hey, I got up on the right side of the bed. I'm in a great, loving, giving mood. On the 9 level, I feel like I've accomplished a great deal in the past, and it is now being reflected today. If we look at what that 9 energy would indicate. And we'll talk a little bit more about numbers and the suits as we continue. So this is a positive card. Number 2, the current potential. Action to take, attitude to consider, all right, for today. All right, and it is the Page of Wands. The attitude to take is there's something for me to learn, something for me to go and discover. And because I've got this energy from the past working with me today, I can really concentrate on what I can create, because the Wands is all about spirit, fire, energy, action, creativity, ideas, enterprises. So, and at the page level, it's something that I'm willing to undertake that I know nothing about, because pages are the neophytes. They are the ones that are just getting on the path to a new adventure for whatever the suits depict. So that's another very positive card for me to have. Well, let's see what's going on here with challenges, inner conflicts, difficulties, and possibly stressful events. What could go wrong? And we have the 4 of Swords. Okay, well, what could go wrong? I have to make sure that my thoughts are not limiting. How I got that is the 4 has come to a place of security and manifestation. But the challenge sometimes could be, okay, been there, done that, what's next? How can I top this? Do I even want to consider doing more? Do I need to step back and just maybe not think anymore, not seek new ideas anymore? So my challenge may be, number 1, I'm in a very comfortable position in the 4. I'm in my own little world, because swords are in your thoughts, in your head. So I have to consider that. It may be just fine to just chill out. I have to decide whether I make this an inner conflict within myself. And then number 4, opportunities. It may give us a course of actions available to us today, or a new perspective from knowledge gained. And the card is the 5 of Wands. Wow. So I would say that today I may come to this 4 level where I say, do I really want to perceive and take this new energy, this new idea that I thought about, and run with it? And the answer is yes, I do. Because at the 3 level, there was some kind of inspiration, something that happened during the day that was very creative, that allowed me to seek out, to go forward. And I did more than plan, which was the 2 level. At the 3 level, we have inquired about it, got our resources, shored them up, and we have backing or inspiration from other places, possibly people, or things that were done from the past. So I look at this as a very, very positive day for me if I was just beginning. We look for the cards that, or I should say the suits that didn't come out. Now we're only taking out 4 cards, so it's very difficult for all 4 suits to come out. We had 1 cup, we had 2 wands, we had 1 sword, but we didn't have any pentacles. And pentacles is an important element. It is a grounding element. So I would just say that it wasn't crucial that that particular element didn't come out, but I may needed to keep it in mind, possibly to slow down and take it one step at a time, and possibly don't venture out or bite off more than I can chew at this point. So that is this wonderful daily 4-card spread. And for those of you who have any questions concerning this, please feel free to ask me. I want to go ahead and show you these positions one more time if you want to jot them down. And like I said earlier, this is a great spread to log in and journal and see, like I could see how my day transpired, to see if any of this came to fruition, or to be encouraged by it, or to even look for it in my daily ongoings as I went about my day, whether that's at home or in the workplace. Thanks everyone for joining me. I do appreciate all your support, and hope to hear from you soon. Bye now.